So we're heading to a movie premiere. Guess whose movie? It's so windy. Flowers for the movie maker. And okay, this is the hair, this dress. Oh, not the deodorant stains. Oh my. The purse. The toes. Suppose the body splashed me a while ago. Lord God. Would I cry, you know? Would I cry? Alright, let's go. Look who I found. She found me. I found it. Hey, Mr. Security. Hi. Thank you.
Just a couple of house rules really quick before we get started. So if you guys need to use the restroom, please come down the stairs.
And now for our featured presentation.
Chicken, rice, anything you want. Vema. It's not here?
Hi, pretty.
Oh my God. Alright, so we are all have 5 till the food pull up.
Selector. 5. Alright. No, that me game mine. No, this is the Guinness. This is the Guinness. No, me have to talk and say. Oh my God, I got music.
Check. One, two.
Thank you.
Peace. I feel your belly, please. Yeah, let's take them to Paris now. Brooklyn, take them to Japan now.
Just one year, man, boy. It must be a long time, Trabass. I mean, this is what I see, Trabass. Are you
So I know you can't see me, right? But tonight was a good night. I saw, first of all, I saw one of my friends from high school. Cause I big up herself. Yeah. Yeah, tonight was a good night. I enjoyed my little self. I can't park. Wait. All right, there we goes. Yeah, girl. Are you that? Yeah. Yeah, man. So yeah, we're reaching. Wait, I'm getting a call. Bye. Good morning. Oh my gosh. I'm so tired. I am so tired, my bros. Last night was fun. Trabass, big up yourself. Super, super proud of you. I don't know if you guys heard it or I said it in the last clip that I recorded last night. I'm blocking the whole thing. But I saw one of my friends from high school, Kushane. So that was cool. Fun fact. Wait, let me grab it. So at last week, Thursday, I went to, remember I was telling you I was going to that event, Par Thursdays, right? So I went, Trabass was there, he was hosting, and he gave me a ticket for the show. This is the ticket, right? Tell me why I left the tickets on my dresser. It wasn't until I was in the line getting popcorn and my little cocktail. I was like, shit, I don't have my tickets. So anyways, luckily Trabass was at the front of the door. I walk up. As I'm about to tell him that I don't have my ticket and him see my face so I can't come in, he walks off. So his homeboy is there, or, you know, whoever. And I'm like, I forgot my ticket. I have a ticket. He's like, oh, just put up the QR code. And I'm like, I had a physical ticket. I don't have it on me. So he's like, what's your name? I'm like, Lori or Kissy Face. So I'm going to look a phone and then I look. Obviously he's not, I don't think he's going to see my name because I don't think Trabass put me on a list because I have a physical ticket. Anyways, I end up turning to, I think Trabass comes back and his friend says to him, Kissy Face. And then I look at him and he's like, yeah man, come. And my friend Farrah was there and she didn't have a ticket either. So I was like, yeah, it's Kissy Face and Farrah Childs. And so we get in, we walk inside, and then I hear this girl say, yeah, VIP. So we end up in the VIP section, or like right in front of the VIP, I guess, because there was like a little chain thingy. So we're like right there. But all in all, it was a good night. There were a lot of local people there, which was nice to see. Gallison Paris was there. Linky Ironheart was there. English Forever, I think that's his Instagram. He was there. Who else did I recognize? The short girl who do the videos of Trabass. Her name starts with a D. I completely forgot what her name is. She was there. Obviously she was there. Matter of fact, she's in the beginning of this video. She was the one who was making the announcements. Who else did I recognize? I think that was it. Yeah, but it was really, really good. DJ was playing good. I hope YouTube don't flag this video for none of the music what did I play in there. But yeah, all in all, good night. Proud of my friend. Like, yeah, I'm doing thing. There will be a part 2 to the movie because I believe the movie was only an hour long, which, you know, that's a lot of content. But yeah, Weekenders, it was cool. And I'm going to end this video here because I need to go to the people in work now. I need to go do my vanilla day job. I will see you guys next week. I don't know. Bye.